going on, guys? Back again with another video. Okay, so we're gonna be taking this hose off to get to the thermostat. We're gonna be doing that. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be putting it on this video because in the last video you seen right there where you see the water, it had a leak and it was pretty bad, so probably flush the whole system, see what happens, see if the car's not messing up as you've seen this last video. But let me take that off and we'll go from there, guys. Okay guys, we got that one off. We're gonna take the radiator right there, and that's no good. I'm gonna be taking that one off and putting the thermostat. Like I said, guys, if this engine's no good, we will swap it. I'm not really gonna go too much into detail with swap yet, but we will start looking for engines for this car. Still got the cord over there, so for now I'm gonna start taking this one, that one, and that one, guys. So we'll go from there. See you. Okay guys, we did take it off. That's no good. Definitely no good. So we got the new one. We ain't gonna put it in yet. I think my engine's done just from seeing it, but I'm gonna try the simplest thing. Just flush it, see what happens. If not, no big deal. Swap coming soon, better than ever. But for now, we'll see if we could get it running just with $100. So not gonna spend no more than that, but we'll see what happens, guys. Okay guys, where I left off, we're gonna be taking this radiator out. I already did just place an order on the new one, so hopefully that goes. Everything is pretty nasty, as you can see those. So I'm gonna get a clear one, not just for looks, but to see how it's gonna come off. It comes out dirty. This engine's pretty much done. Already has a blown head gasket, guys. So like I said, I'm not gonna spend much on it. If it works, if it doesn't, I'll return it and get my money back, and we'll do a swap on this, guys. Sorry for the wind if you hear it, but we're gonna start taking off the radiator, guys. And we already did get the cherry picker, and we're gonna start working on taking out the engine on the blue Accord. So stay tuned for that, guys, here in a couple of days. Okay guys, we got the new thermostat, so we're gonna be putting this one in. And like I said, I got the clear one to see how the water's gonna be flowing through it. Hopefully we can make it a fit. It should be right. I measured it right, so hopefully it should fit. I might have a little bit of trouble putting it in, but that shouldn't be too hard. So I'm gonna be installing this right now, guys. Okay guys, we're not gonna be able to take out the radiator tonight. It did get a little late on me. I had to go run some errands and stuff. But in the next video, you will see me take off the engine off the blue Accord. So the radiator, no big deal. I just got 2 lines to take off, and it should come out easy. We should be getting it on Friday. Today is Monday, so stay tuned for that. And in the next video, we will be taking out the blue Accord engine. Stay tuned for that, guys, and I'll have some more videos up for you guys. But stay tuned, like and subscribe, respect our builds, guys, and thanks for watching, guys. Thanks, and I'm out.